In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use links with pictures on Mailchimp, specifically how to hyperlink an image within Mailchimp to enhance your email campaigns. If you've been looking to make your newsletters more interactive and engaging, linking images can be a great way to direct your readers to additional content or websites. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account and open the campaign you're currently working on. If you haven't started a campaign yet, you'll need to create one. Once you're inside your campaign, focus on the section where you wish to include the image with the hyperlink. It's important to ensure that your image is within a text block. This makes it easier to manipulate and add links. Now, if you've positioned your image inside a text block, you're ready to add the hyperlink. The process is fairly straightforward and quick. Simply click on the image you want to hyperlink. By doing this, you'll see the image become highlighted, and this indicates that the image is selected and ready for the next step. After you highlight the image, direct your attention to the toolbar options that appear above or near the image. From this toolbar, locate the link icon. It typically resembles a chain link, and it's the tool you'll use to embed your hyperlink. Click on this link icon, and a small window will appear, prompting you to enter the URL. In the field provided, enter the full URL you'd like your recipients to visit when they click the image. It could be your website, a specific landing page, or any other URL that is relevant to your email content. Be sure to double check the URL for any typos, as accuracy is key in directing your audience correctly. Once you've entered the URL, there should be an option to save your changes. Click on it to ensure your hyperlink is successfully added. And there you have it, your image is now hyperlinked. When recipients receive your email and click on the image, it will direct them to the specified link you've entered. This functionality not only helps in providing additional information, but also helps in driving traffic to your designated web pages, increasing engagement with your audience. Mailchimp makes it easy to turn your images into interactive elements within your emails, thus enhancing the overall reader experience. By embedding links into your images, you're effectively guiding your audience through a more engaging user journey. Keep experimenting with this feature to see how it can benefit your future campaigns. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.